You've heard the saying, time is a thief. But here's the truth. It's not. Time doesn't steal from us. We do. And every second you believe that lie, you give away the very thing that you're trying to protect. A lot of us go through life hiding behind this, but the truth is it's a facade for us not being intentional with the time that we have. I once read that everything seems sudden until we realize one day that it was always gradual. The statement itself makes you out to be the victim, and you're not. If you're watching this video, you've been blessed with the only thing that matters. Every wealthy person that's not around today in the history of time would give everything up for that you have this moment. The question is, what are you doing with it? I just blinked and my kids were grown. Time robbed me. Time is a thief. Did it really rob them? Or did life just keep offering moments and we didn't take it? Time didn't steal those afternoons, it gave them to us. It wrapped it in the disguise of ordinary days. We just didn't open the gift. Here are 5 time truths that I hope change your perspective a little. Time is neutral. It doesn't choose winners or losers. It's how we invest it that shapes our story. Everyone gets sand in this hourglass, but some build sandcastles with it, living with more joy and fulfillment, and others feel empty while watching the sand slip through their fingers. It's not time stealing from you. Second one, every moment is currency. You can spend it on distractions like mindlessly sitting on your phone while your kids play in the other room, or your spouse sits on the other side of the sofa, or you can invest it in relationships, growth, and meaning, purpose. Both net a return. One is in regret and the other is in joy. It's always a choice, your choice. Third, the real thief is neglect, not time. We miss out when we delay, avoid, or numb ourselves with busyness. How we show up is, I believe, the only thing that matters. And it just so happens to be one of the few things that we have 100% control over. Who do you need to check on? What needs to be said? Who needs to be heard or seen? Fourth one, small moments compound. Just like money, tiny deposits of intentional time create massive returns over the years. You don't need to wait for the big moments to build connections. You need to take advantage of the minutes you have in between to strengthen the connections you want. Fifth one, the gift is now. There is no waiting for the right moments or when things slow down. Time doesn't pause for you to catch up. You control the tempo. You control how purposeful you are. Waiting only leads to regret. Like I said, I once read, everything seems sudden until you realize it was gradual. Waiting to have that conversation, waiting for forgiveness, waiting for the right time, and all the other lies we tell ourselves to avoid being intentional only leads to emptiness. So what do? Time's not slipping through your fingers. It's sitting right here in your hands, waiting for you. Your sand is in your hands. The question is, what will you do with it today? Pick one thing. Call somebody. Hug someone. Start something. Forgive someone. Because time isn't a thief. It's the most generous friend you'll ever have. If you let it be. Be great today.